महबूब खुदा इनको कौसर भी पिलाएंगे, महबूब खुदा इनको माँ बाप की खुशियों का अंदाज़ा भी मुश्किल है, माँ बाप की खुशियों का अंदाज़ा भी मुश्किल है। सूरज से कहीं रोशन, सूरज से कहीं रोशन जब ताज वो पाएंगे, सूरज से कहीं रोशन। एक फैज़ भी ये होगा कुरान के हाफिज का, एक फैज़ भी ये होगा कुरान के हाफिज का। 10 लोग को वो रब से, 10 लोग को वो रब से जन्नत भी दिलाएंगे। कुरान मुक़द्दस को, कुरान मुक़द्दस को जो दिल में बसाएंगे, फिरदौस भरी में वो, फिरदौस भरी में वो हंसते हुए जाएंगे, फिरदौस भरी में वो। अस्सलाम।
Respected dear principal sir, teachers and my dear friends. My name is Rayyan. Today I will speak on the Holy Book Quran. The Quran is the sacred book for the Muslims. This is my favorite book. The word Quran means the reading. It is the book that is not written by human beings. It was sent for man's guidance by Allah Almighty through our last Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Hazrat Jibreel was used to carrying the message of Allah. The Quran is divided into 30 paras and 114 surahs. Each surah contains a different numbers of verses. Out of 114 surahs, 86 were revealed at Makkah and 28 at Medina. The Quran contains 6,616 verses, 77,934 words and 32 lakhs 3,760 letters of Arabic. The opening chapter of the book is regarded with the special reference. By the Muslim it is called Surah Fatiha. It contains 7 verses. We recite it in our prayers. The Quran provides a complete guide of life. Every corner of life is discussed in it. The Quran provides a complete code of life. Every corner of life is discussed in it. It tells us what is right and wrong. It teaches us the truth, violence, love, meditation, compassion, etc. It also teaches us love for neighbors and self-sacrifice. This book is a short of history. There are the stories of all nations in it. The Quran was written in Arabic, which is a very powerful language. Its style is highly impressive and appealing. The Quran is our best guide. It is full of wisdom, truth, facts, philosophy, beauty, grace and love. Hazrat Usman radiyallahu ta'ala anhu, who was interested in its compilation. Many Muslims are learned this voluminous book by heart. They are called Hafiz al-Quran. This is the miracle of this book. The Quran is an everlasting book. Allah has declared in the Quran, that is He who is responsible for its safety. Thank you.